Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Dal Tadka. The name itself makes you think about tempered spices, smoky flavors, savory aromas and rich appetizing taste. This meal is one of the most popular dish in India. It is also the most versatile, healthy, filling and delicious. These are the ingredients for boiling the lentil or boiling the dal. First of all, combine both tur dal and moong dal together. Now wash them thoroughly 2 to 3 times until the water looks clean and keep it aside. The next step involves crushing the garlic cloves. This ensures the taste of garlic is nicely absorbed in the lentils. Let's boil the dal by placing a pressure cooker on flame. Add washed lentils. Here I have added 1.5 glasses of water, so add accordingly. Then goes in turmeric powder, crushed garlic cloves. Basically, I already added 1 glass earlier and half glass now, making it 1.5 glasses of water in total. Lastly, add oil and cover the lid. Cook on low flame until 3 whistles. Well, here's a tip. Always add salt after cooking the dal. If added before, the cooking time increases and also it prevents the dal from reaching their peak tenderness. Here are the ingredients for tempering the dal or preparing the tadka for dal. So again, as mentioned earlier, I like to add crushed garlics, but this time I'm adding dry red chilies along with them. Believe me, the combination of these two together will add an extra flavor and aroma to the dal. Okay, finally time to make tadka. In a pan, add enough oil, that is about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Next, drop in cumin seeds and do the same. Clearly, I am not adding curry leaves, but you can add at this time. Now add chopped green chilies. Adjust the green chilies by adding more or less as per your spicy level. Then goes in crushed garlic and red chilies. Stir fry until garlic cloves changes to light brown and releases aroma. Usually, the tadka is prepared on high flame, so continuous stirring is required in order to avoid burning. Finally, add chopped tomatoes and cook them until they turn soft. Sprinkle over some salt for taste. Tadka is very essential in a dal, and also this is where all the flavors comes from into the dal. A very good technique is to pour half of the tempering into the dal and mix it well. Then layer the remaining tadka over the top of the dal. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve it hot along with ghee. And now tell me, doesn't it look better than a restaurant dal tadka? I am pretty sure you'll find yourself literally licking your fingers because of its exquisite and drool-worthy taste. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any amazing recipe. Also press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. See you soon!